Nestled in the heart of the American Southeast, the Natchez Trace Parkway weaves an indelible tapestry of natural beauty and historical significance. Spanning 444 miles through Mississippi, Alabama, and Tennessee, this scenic drive invites modern travelers to follow in the footsteps of those who shaped the early United States. Before the roar of engines, the Natchez Trace was a silent path trodden by countless feet. Native Americans first etched this route into the landscape, followed by explorers and pioneers. Today, the Natchez Trace Parkway retraces this ancient passage, offering a tangible link to ages gone by. The parkway is punctuated by historical sites that echo the past. One such site is the Mount Locust Historic House at milepost 15.5. This family home and stand for travelers dates back to 1780, and its grounds are open for visitors during operating hours. More than just a window to history, the old trace itself is still visible in sections along the parkway, offering a breathtaking glimpse into the past. The old trace was the main road through the Old Southwest, connecting Natchez to Nashville by going through Chickasaw and Choctaw lands. Visitors can admire the elegant double-arch bridge at Birdsong Hollow, a structure that won the prestigious Presidential Award for Design Excellence in 1995. This breathtaking bridge spans Birdsong Hollow and Tennessee Highway 96, offering a stunning sight from below or above. Beyond the rich history, the Natchez Trace Parkway is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts. Whether on four wheels or two, driving or biking, the parkway is a feast for the senses, offering endless vistas of rolling hills, lush forests, and pristine waterways. The winding road invites a leisurely pace, with ample opportunities for picnicking and observation spots. For stargazers, the parkway provides dark skies for astronomy and stargazing, with minimal light pollution offering an ideal spot to contemplate the cosmos and perhaps catch a shooting star. A robust network of trails caters to hikers and horseback riders, ensuring that whether you seek a gentle walk or a challenging trek, there's a path for you. Freshwater fishing along the parkway's many streams and lakes offers a tranquil escape for seasoned and novice anglers alike. Immerse yourself in the serene natural environment of the Southeast as you cast your line and bask in the beauty of your surroundings. The Junior Ranger program ensures that young adventurers can learn about the parkway's environment and heritage, instilling a love for nature and conservation. Engaging activities through this program make the Natchez Trace Parkway an unforgettable destination for families and individuals alike. The weather along the Natchez Trace Parkway mirrors the humid subtropical climates of Mississippi, Alabama, and Tennessee. With hot summers and mild winters, the parkway shifts its character with the seasons. From the verdant growth of spring to the fiery foliage of autumn, each visit can offer a distinct and memorable experience. The Natchez Trace Parkway invites visitors to embark on a journey that encompasses natural splendor, recreation, and a profound historical legacy. As you plan your journey, consider the wealth of activities that await, from the simplicity of a scenic drive to the adventure of exploring bygone routes on foot or horseback. The parkway is not just a road, it's a destination that continues to inspire awe and wonder for all who traverse its path. Learn more at mustdothings.com. Be sure to subscribe for many more inspiring videos about national parks.